Welcome travelers. Today I will ride a bike with you besides the Thabbowa Tank in Sri Lanka, which was built by King Akbar II in the 7th century. Modern civilization started in 1928 in this area. A villager was kind enough to lend me his bike for this ride. I would have rented a sophisticated bike from an agent if I had planned this ride very well. This is rainy season, so you can see the impact to the dam on your left side. Excuse me for the tickling sounds of the bike, but I am still happy that I found one on this morning. If you have still not subscribed my channel Travel with Sujiva, can I suggest subscribing it, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.
ब्रेक नाही ब्रेक नाही
I am about to reach to the end of one leg of my ride.
Tabbowa sanctuary from this point ahead. Tank bunt is over. Sanctuary ahead. No brakes. Let's go again. This is the common transport vehicle in Sri Lanka. I cannot compare my Merida Big 920 mountain bike I usually ride in Australia. I can compare that one with this one, but this is a different experience. I like this. No brakes and tickling sounds, no gears, different nice experience. The most important thing I have to mention is this. One can think this is a lake, natural lake, but no. In Sri Lanka there are hundreds of tanks built by ancient kings in Sri Lanka, and this is a tank purposely built man-made tanks for cultivation. So this is called Thabbowa Tank. I don't know what's the area size, but it's a very big one. All these roads, this is called tank bunt. All these not sealed, and this is rainy season to this section of the country, Sri Lanka. This season is a rainy season, so you can see these muddy unsealed roads, and that one also a different experience and nice experience. So far we rode 2.5 kilometers. I think there's more, nearly 1 kilometer to the place I started this ride. I should always keep in my mind that this bicycle doesn't have brakes at all. This dam was built not in the King's era. It was built recently, but there is something called Biso Kotua in Sinhala language. Original small dams in couple of places in the tank to release water for cultivations. But in the modern era, they build a big dam with couple of doors so that they can control from one place the water flow. Since the tank is now nearly full, couple of doors are open. You can see how the water flow is. Okay, I'm going to end my ride in a couple of minutes. Thank you very much for riding along with me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channels, Travel with Sujiva, I request to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will be notified weekly with a new video. Thank you very much. See you next week. Okay, back to the base. This vehicle is called Chiron, powered by Mercedes-Benz. One of my friend's vehicle in which we traveled here to rural Sri Lanka. And yeah, so no stands, and I'll keep it here, and again see you next week with another video.